Let's take a look at the imperfect tense, its regular conjugations and uses. You should already be aware of all the subject pronouns, which ones are first, second, and third person, and which ones are singular and plural. And you should also be aware of the three verb groups, AR, ER, and IR, and you should know that each group of verbs have their own verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject. Imperfect verb conjugations are formed in this manner. We remove the infinitive ending, AR, ER, or IR, and then to that stem we add the respective imperfect ending, depending on the subject being used. The AR verb endings in the imperfect are aba, abas, aba, habamos, habais, haban. So we take the AR verb hablar as an example. We remove the AR infinitive ending, and this gives us the stem hable. And to this stem, we add the respective endings we see above. We have hablaba, hablabas, hablaba, hablábamos, hablabais, hablaban. The imperfect endings for ER and IR verbs are the same. They are ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. So we use the ER verb comer as an example. We remove the ER infinitive ending, and this gives us the stem com. And to this stem, we simply add the respective endings we see above. We end up with comía, comías, comía, comíamos, comíais, comían. And now, using the IR verb vivir as an example, we remove the infinitive IR ending. This gives us the stem viv. And to this stem, we again simply add the respective endings we see above. Vivía, vivías, vivía, vivíamos, vivíais, vivían. So when is the imperfect used? One situation is for habitual or repeated actions in the past. Jugábamos todos los días con nuestro amigo. Cada fin de semana corrías al parque. In each of these two sentences, we are referring to an action that was habitually occurring in the past. Also, the imperfect can be used for an action that was in progress in the past. This can refer to something that was happening when another action occurred. Hablaba cuando tú me interrumpiste. So you should notice that the verb interrumpir is conjugated in the preterite. In these types of sentences, the ongoing action, in this case hablaba, is in the imperfect. The interrupting action, in this case interrumpiste, is in the preterite. And we will explore the preterite in the next lesson. If you refer to age, date, or time in the past, you will use the imperfect. Tenían 10 años. Eran las 8 de la noche. Era el 1 de febrero. If you describe physical or mental characteristics and conditions or feelings in the past, you will use the imperfect. Tu pelo era bello. Estaba enfermo por una semana. Quería darte un regalo. Hacía frío en diciembre. And there are irregular verbs which do not follow the usual pattern of simply removing the infinitive ending and then adding the respective imperfect ending. We will cover irregular imperfect verbs in Unit 3. And that covers the regular imperfect conjugations as well as the uses of the imperfect. As I always say, if you can please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.